Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video I have given a question. X power 3 equals to x plus 1 raised to the power of 3, and you're supposed to find the value of x, so let's provide a solution very quickly. And of course we have to copy, have x power 3 equal to x plus 1 power 3. Right, so here we are going to go to like terms, so we shall say x power 3 minus open bracket of x plus 1 raised to the power 3 equals to 0. So here we are going to use this formula. We say x minus here x plus 1, then times this will be x squared, right? Then plus x times x plus 1, then here plus x plus 1 squared cross bracket equals to 0. And if you have seen us, this is when we have a cubic minus b cubic, which is equals to a minus b times here a squared plus ab here plus b squared. Right, so this is what we have transformed it, and of course this will be open bracket of x minus 1, right? Then open bracket of here we shall say x squared, and plus here x squared plus x, then plus this will be x squared plus 2x plus 1 equal to 0. And of course this will be cancelled to get -1, then times this is 2x squared, and plus this shall I say 3, and this one and this plus 3x plus 1 equals to 0. And of course here at this stage we shall divide this negative on both sides, right? So we shall get this one 3x squared plus 3x plus 1, so it will be 0. And of course this is a quadratic equation, so we have a equal to 3, have b equal to 3, and c equals to 1, as we have seen here. So we have to say x 1 and 2 will be negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c over 2a. So this is x 1 and 2 will be negative 3 plus or minus square root of here. This is 9 minus 4 times 1 times 3 times 1 over 6. So this is x 1 and 2, which is equals to negative 3 plus or minus here square root of 9 minus 12 over 6, and x 1 and 2 will be negative 3 plus or minus square root of here negative 3 over 6. So we shall say x 1 and y will be negative 3 plus or minus here plus I square root of 3 over 6, and this is x1. and we can say x2 equal to negative 3 minus r square root of 3, right, then over 6, and this is what we have right here. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.